So today's mission is to put a frame around this in a back and hang up on the French cleat like I've done to that one, and there's the spot for it. So it's going to be pretty easy, pretty simple, but I want to get that angle the same so they look the same in theory. And I've got a little bit of offcuts of Remu here which we'll use. They need to be, come on, some Remu there, although I don't think that's Remu, that's not Remu.
Let's go and make something.
That is not Remu, okay, I have only got one piece of Remu, right. That's a short one piece. That should be enough with that piece over there. So the easiest way I find doing miters is I'll cut them to actual length as if I was doing a butt join like this, and then I know that I want 45 on that one out like that, and then I want 45 on that one, then I'll change it. This is so I don't get confused in which one I'm doing. Then I'll change it and 45 on that one. And they should line up like that. I'll do it the same to this one. I want 45 coming out there. And I want it to line up exactly on the tip there when I cut them. When I come to cut them, I just work my way around. That way I'm not going to muddle myself up on where I am. So this one I need to go this way at 45, and I want to be right on the edge of that corner. So now they're just sitting there, so they're not pulled in tight, but that will actually work quite good. That's just how way I do it, so I don't get confused and cutting them the wrong way on anything. You can do it all on the one angle, so if you see your mark on that side and you'd have to flip it over, just flip it over. I don't want to go that way, I want to go that way. taking the other one down, and I'm basically copying the angle here. Well, that would have worked if I didn't screw up my measurement. It's not 80, it's 90 millimeters. Apparently I can't read. Oh well. So I have to make those again. And I haven't got any more of that. So that's scrap. That's firewood. I might have to make them out of... what's that? Dale says, yep, too short. Well, I won't show you the remaking of those because it's exactly the same as what I just did, with the right measurements this time. Hopefully. Knowing my luck, I'll probably screw it up again and have to do it a third time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.